Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all students. eBelajau Science Form 3. So today I would like to share with you Chapter 6 Science Form 3, that is Electricity and Magnetism. So today I am your teacher, Cikgu Muhammad Rizal bin Razak from SMJK Catholic Melaka. So today I will focus on Content Standard 6.1 Generation Electricity. Learning Standard 6.1.1 describe energy sources in terms of renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Before we start our lesson, please look at Science Gallery. According to a report from Malaysian Nuclear Agency, Malaysia needs to have a nuclear power station in 2030. This power station should generate electricity that is sufficient to meet the electricity needs of our country. Do you agree or disagree with having of this power station in Malaysia? Why? My Malaysia. Malaysia is currently the leading country in biomass industry in the Southeast Asian region. Sarawak and Sabah are two states in Malaysia that have a variety and large amount of biomass. The variety of biomass includes the biomass of oil palm, forests, rubber trees, garbage, rice husks, and maize. Besides the generation of electricity, biomass is also used to produce innovative products such as building material. So actually, what are renewable and non-renewable energy sources? Electricity is generated through various energy sources. These different energy sources can be classified into two main groups, namely renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources, as shown in figure 6.1. 6.2 Figure 6.2 shows renewable and non-renewable energy sources used in power station in Malaysia. So let's see energy sources. So the definition of renewable energy sources is energy sources that can be replaced continually and will never deplete. Example of renewable energy sources is hydro energy, wave energy, solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy, biomass energy, and geothermal energy. While non-renewable energy sources, the definition is energy sources that cannot be replaced and will deplete. The example of non-renewable energy sources is such as nuclear energy, coal, natural gas, and petroleum. Look at the diagram here. This is an example of hybrid power station in Pulau Perhentian Kecil, Terengganu. So energy sources by this power station is a wind, solar, and diesel. Okay, power station in Malaysia. The first one is a Bakun Hydro Power Station in Sarawak. Energy source is a hydro energy. Second one is a Tuanku Jaafar Power Station in Negeri Sembilan. Energy source is a natural gas. Third one, THH Bioenergy Sendirian Berhad, Biomass Power Station in Sabah. Energy source is a biomass. And fourth one is a Gelogo Power Station in Pulau Pinang. Energy source is a diesel. Last one is a Sultan Azlan Shah Power Station in Manjung Perak. Energy source is a coal. Okay, now we continue how the process of generating electricity. A generator is a device used to generate electricity. Look at photograph 6.1. We show an example of generator model. So photograph 6.1 shows a simple generator model, which is consists of magnet, coil of wire, crank, and LED. So this LED will connected with connecting wire to the magnet. Okay. When the crank of the generator model is turned, a current known as induced current is produced. The flow of this induced current will light up the LED. Electric current is produced by in two ways. First, movement of the wire which causes the magnetic field lines to be cut. A connecting wire or solenoid is moved rapidly through the space between the magnetic poles as shown in figure 6.3 and 6.4. An induced current is produced in the connecting wire or solenoid, and it flows through the galvanometer. The pointer in the galvanometer will deflect. Second one is a movement of the magnet, which causes the magnetic field lines to be cut. A magnet is moved as shown in figure 6.5 and 6.6, so that the magnetic field lines are cut by the connecting wire or solenoid. An induced current is produced in the connecting wire or solenoid, and it flows through the galvanometer. The pointer in the galvanometer will deflect. Let's test your understanding with a simple exercise from your textbook. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Determine whether the given statements about electricity or magnetism are true or false. Write your answer in the space provided. Okay. A. Power stations that use wind energy do not contaminate the air. The answer is true. B. Solar cells can produce alternating current. The answer is false. Okay, number 2. Match each of the following energy sources with the correct types of energy. Coal is a... What types of energy sources of coal is a non-renewable energy. Biomass is a renewable energy. Geothermal is a renewable energy. And wave is a renewable energy. Question number 3. A coil of wire is moved in the direction of the arrow through the space between two magnets as shown in figure 1. So question A. What is the effect on the magnetic field when the coil is moved? So the answer is magnetic field lines are cut. B. What is produced in the coil of wire? The answer is an induced current. C. What happens to the LED? Explain your answer. So, LED will lights up. Induced current flow through the LED. The flow of current through the LED causes the LED to lights up. D. Name a device in power stations that applies a similar concept. The answer is generator. That's all from me. Thank you.